to post Instagram 60-second story easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the longer stories option on your Instagram. All what you wanna do guys is very simple. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks right here as you can see. After that, you have to go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then disable it like this. After that, you have to do one last thing, which is the most important thing, is you have to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram like this, and then click on this update option. Very easy and simple as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial.